Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video, and today I've got the Samsung Galaxy S21 right here, as well as their leather case and their clear cover, although I think I'm going to save the cases for another video. We're going to get into the actual phone here today. So Samsung just puts these pull tabs, these little plastic pull tabs. Try not to ruin the box. I probably should have just cut that. Alright, now as we know they have made the box thinner. Let me actually grab my iPhone 12 Pro box. I mean, I don't know if there's a reason to compare. Here it is, it's a little bit thicker than the iPhone box. Alright, so let's get this thing popped open. I think the little tabs got stuck there. Alright, so there we go, you got your little info. Now, here is the phone itself. Now, I have the gray one. Feels pretty good in the hand. Let me pull out the iPhone next to it. Probably just about the same size. The Samsung's a little bit taller. Alright, so let's put the phone to the side. What else do you get in the box? I haven't really had a brand new Samsung device, so this should be really interesting. So you get your charger, you get a SIM ejection tool, and your charger on the inside. So this is the actual box itself, well, the box. Let's power this thing up. Well, let's see, so you hold down the side. This is going to be my first phone with 120 hertz too that I've ever used, so this should be really exciting. Powered by Android. It's pretty light actually from what I've noticed. I've heard a lot of people have said that the regular S21 is light. Let's get this plastic off in a minute. Now, for the full review, I'll be showing casing like everything. This is just the unboxing of the phone. Now, starting Android, it says. I also want to sort of showcase the color. So this is the gray itself. So obviously they have their new matte camera bump, and I really like how it just flows in with the stainless steel or whatever Samsung does on the side. I really like that look. I also like how their camera bump is pretty much flush. I mean, when you put it down though, you still do get a little bit of a bump. But like overall though, Samsung really hit it this year with this S21. Also, the fingerprint's going to be awesome for what's going on in the world right now. I haven't actually necessarily tried that out yet, but we will see how that goes out in and about. Because I'm overall really excited to use this phone, and so it should be really cool. Now this is a plastic back, I believe, on polycarbonate, which is basically plastic, on the back of the regular S21. Now, to me, it does feel pretty light, the phone, but honestly, it depends on who you are. You'll notice a difference. I don't notice that big of a difference. I have an iPhone 12 Pro right here. Now, this is glass, and this is, I guess, their polycarbonate or whatever they're trying to call it. But overall though, Samsung, you definitely did hit it with the sort of overall design of the S21. I think that it's pretty good, and the price is pretty good this year. But you know what, those are just some of my general thoughts. I'll get more into this in like full review and sort of stuff like that. Guys, so I'm back and closing out this unboxing. So here it is. I have some stuff set up like Twitter. So here we go. Now, let me just open my iPhone. I'm just going to show you guys a little thing, though. As I'm scrolling through Twitter, also, as I've noticed, my Twitter feed is different on both. Just look at this. Also, I noticed dark mode on here is black, and on here it's kind of a gray. Just look at that as I'm scrolling through. This is on 120. This is on 60, obviously, because it's the only setting on the iPhone. Just look at that. Now, I'll go more in-depth into this in my full review of my first impressions of the S21. But I think this has to be in 120 hertz right now. I think it is. Also, so here is my iPhone. So just swiping through, it feels a lot quicker in 120 hertz. Now that's just my opinion. Also, I'm rocking a Tesla app on my iPhone just because so I can work for that. But also, that's some of my general thoughts so far, just from using the S21. I keep getting some weird notifications, but that's just from using the S21 so far, in my opinion. Now, I believe that the S21 is overall going to be a pretty good phone, and I'm really excited to get more hands-on into my S21 and my full experience. Now, if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, please do that. Also, if you have not subscribed, links are in. Please subscribe now and like this video. But that has pretty much been it for this unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S21. Here it is. I've got that leather case on it too. So probably you'll see a case review of that also. So that has pretty much been it for this video. So I'll catch you guys in the next